Welcome back. Today we're working on a Kenmore dryer. Because I don't know what the fuck's wrong with it. And the problem is it's stuck. It won't spin. I have to force it by hand. So I don't know. It's Kenmore. So Kenmore LG. Whatever. So what we're going to do is, I've seen online, it's got 3 screws. So what we're going to do is pull 1 screw, 2 screw, 3 screw in the back, and the 2 bottom screws right there, and then this front panel should come off. We'll see, but I think you got to take the board off too, but we'll find that out in a minute. Okay, now that you got 3 screws, you're going to walk back here and pull this like so, and it pulls the top, as you can see that way. Then you got little nodules right there. You got to make sure it takes 2 hands, and you got to kind of work it so you don't break them. Yeah, I know the top looks rough. My laundry room's leaking pretty bad, and I ain't really got no help to do it, so. Okay. Now this is kind of, it's not wanting to move, so next thing is pull the screws out of the front main board. One there, one there. I took that one out before I realized the camera wasn't recording. So, if you don't have one of those drills, you should be able to do it with a screwdriver. Take you a little bit longer, but hey, from all the videos I've watched on all these different things, the screwdriver seems to work pretty good on everything. Okay, you gotta, you're supposed to be disconnecting shit. Disconnect that from there, and that as well. And you come back up here, and you got the wiring harness there. Pull that through that. And for now, that should be good. We shouldn't have to really mess with these zip ties yet. Okay. Because now you're supposed to be able to lift this up here. Might need a screwdriver for it. Yep, I think so. Yeah, I got a little ahead of myself. Not that screw, the screw that goes there. Like that one there, that top one right here is what you pull out, not this one. So I got a little ahead of myself. And if you got the strength, pop those there a little bit. And if you're looking at it, you start on the left side because of the wiring harness. And I guess this one I'm gonna have to disconnect everything. So you start unplugging everything. Make sure that you unplugged it from the wall. If you didn't, please video it so I can see how stupid your ass is. Okay. And then you slowly start working these out. If you break them now, it's gonna suck to be you. White goes with the white, the black goes with the black. Okay. So you already got that one disconnected. That one there has a blue clip underneath it, or a little white clip, and you push it in and pull it. This one here, it's got a little clip there. You push in and pull. Most of these are push in and pulls. Bam. So Now you got the motherboard off. Let me find somewhere safe to set it that ain't gonna fall or get wet at the moment. Okay. Then you tuck all that back in where you need it. Or I should say you don't need it. Now, next thing is pull those 2 screws off. Shut the door back. And with this one, I gotta pull those 4 screws too. 1, 2, 3, 4. But on the other video, it said I didn't show that. So that's why I was making my own. Some motherfuckers and shit. Okay, I got 1 more screw left, and that one's there. But before you get too carried away, you need to pull this light off. That's right here. You might be able to pull it when you get it off or whatever. Nope, that's right. I forgot. You should be able to pull it this way. Well, whichever. It showed one way to pull it, and whichever way you can figure it out, make it work. So now I'm pulling the screw off. And this should slide off just like that. And as you can see, yada 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 yada. Pulls out that way. If you look at how the plug is, that's the groove. That groove goes right here. Then you push in case you forget. Okay, now you pull the dryer, and bam, got the door of the dryer off. Now it's time to find out what's wrong with my dryer. Okay. You got a screw there, and you got a screw right there to get the lint cover off. I'm sure there's probably a better name for it. I don't know what it is. I'm not a fucking appliance repair person, so I don't care. That way. Now, I want you to fucking see something here. You see this right here? That lint hole. And it's got that. If you ever wonder where them fucking mysterious socks disappeared, there's your fucking mysterious socks. Goddamn fucking socks. Wasn't nothing wrong with my motherfucking dryer. Some stupid ass didn't fucking put the lint thing back in there, and that got stuck. Son of a goddamn bitch. That's why you don't let motherfuckers use your goddamn shit. Because of that. Because of fucking that. But anyway, if your dryer won't spin, that's what you do. Check your vent thing. And the way this is set up, this has got a little vacuum thing here. And up underneath there's a whole bunch of other little gadget shit. But it all spins in tandem with each other. See? But I'm gonna test run it to make sure the son of a bitch works. But that's why I don't loan shit to people. Alright, so I'm being a little more nosy about things. In order to be able to look at all this stuff in the back or whatever, you either have to take all the back off, or there and there's 2 screws. They match with the other ones, a whole bunch of other ones. Don't need that right now. And you take that little nut off right there that holds this in. Take this nut off and you pull that out. Then you can get back in there. And then there's your pulley system. The tensioner pulley. That works back there in conjunction with this, because this is the motor. The motor does 2 things. It turns the drum and it does the pulls the lint out. But here's something real important. I don't know if you can see with this. See this right here? You see all that dust right there? If you don't clean this out, it will get down into your dryer like that. That's why I keep telling my stepson, because that's what all this shit is. It gets in here because it sucks through here and it comes out there. And by doing so, it'll set your fucking house on fire. And that's what causes most of the fires from dryers. It's this right here. Because some stupid ass don't know how to clean the fucking vent. Where the lint is, it's not that hard. It's pretty actually fucking simple. Clean the lint out. So, that's how easy it is to do that part. That's as far as I need to go. So, if I need to do more, I'll make another stupid ass video. Thanks for stopping by. Take this whole damn thing apart and do this. I got a metal rod. And don't damage your element. Tear that up, you're in trouble. Now to the back. Because in that way, it'll come out there, and then come back down through here, and back into there, and blow back out. But you don't put it on high heat. You just put it on low, somewhat dry, just enough to blow all this out. And then you double check, make sure you got everything, and that's all there is to it. Simple fix.